I love this river because it's almost like family to me. You know, when I'm away from it, I miss it, like family.
This is, the second oldest river in the world. We can look, almost 2 decades and see the difference ReNew has made.
I think our community's really bought into this concept of Renew the New because they understand how important our natural assets are here. The natural resources in Giles are immense, and we have to take care of them.
We get as many boats, canoes, kayaks, anything that'll float. We float down a section of the river, usually a 10-mile section, and get out just everything that we can get out.
What we share is a passion for this amazing river.
This has been one of the most electrifying programs I've ever been involved with. It just builds relationships not only within the community, but within our guests and tourism partners as well.
I think it has given the community and the extended community a commitment to the river.
Back in the day, the river was a trash dump. You backed your vehicle up and dumped it in the river.
When we first started cleaning up the river, it was to involve the school kids.
First time we cleaned it up, we got more than 1,100 tires out. Today, that same section of river, if you were to go through there, you might get 15 or 20 tires. So, there's been a lot of change.
Part of their extracurricular credit, they get credit for participating in the cleanups.
So those kids, are the ones that are really using the river now, and they spend a lot of time taking care of it and cleaning it up. So we just don't see nearly the trash we used to.
Over the last 10 years with ReNew, each year we see a little bit cleaner river. We still have a lot more garbage than we should, but the first few years we saw so many tires. Now it's a lot more household goods and just general litter, but still more than we'd like to see.
When you float the river now, you have to really look for trash. It used to be, it was everywhere. You can see it on the banks, you can see it in the bottom of the river. Now you really have to work hard to find it. Since ReNew's inception more than 20 years ago, we estimate that conservatively, we've had somewhere between 6,000 and 8,000 volunteers that have participated over time. Virginia Tech and the Corps cadets there, Circle K, and there's all kinds of fraternities and sororities have always played a role in this. Something that's hard to quantify is the number of them that fall in love with this place and end up moving back here or staying here, which is exactly what we want. We want to recruit talent, we want to be able to retain talent, and when they see a community effort like this and they get to spend time in a beautiful river, all of it, it's just another piece of the puzzle that makes people want to live in an area that impacts quality of life.
My motto at New River's Edge is let the river love, and if you give her some time, she'll love on you in ways you can feel for the rest of your life.
We all have to take care of it, and I think ReNew has helped focus that.